and welcome to another edition of the Glen Ellyn Experience, where we showcase the people and places that make Glen Ellyn, Illinois a unique place to shop, dine, work, and play. I'm your host, Meredith Hanna, and today we're at the law offices of Lofgren and Wentworth, the entrepreneur's legal resource, located at 536 Crescent Boulevard, Suite 200 in beautiful downtown Glen Ellyn. I'm joined by partners Rick Lofgren and Charles Wentworth and their newest addition to the team of counsel, Larry Levanway. So Rick and Charles, you both worked downtown practicing law for a number of years and then decided to come back out to the suburbs to Glen Ellyn. Why? What was your plan?
Beautiful town, great opportunities. Charles and I both started downtown at some of the larger law firms in Chicago, recognized that our roots were in our hometowns. As to myself, I've lived here for 24 years, raised my girls, walked past this office for 20 odd years before I decided, why don't I put down my firm's roots here? It's been a wonderful opportunity for us.
That's great. And Charles, same with you? You had started downtown and then decided to come here and found a good partner.
Yeah, I live out here in DuPage County, and I'd been at a firm downtown. And when I was thinking about opening my own office, I was looking at different towns out here in DuPage. And my wife said, you really got to look at downtown Glen Ellyn. So I came and found an office. We used to, before we partnered up with each other, we used to be over in the 460 building, and that's where we met. And I happened to find a little tiny office over there. And after a couple of years, we'd gotten to know each other and decided to join our offices.
Well, it's a great team. And together, you've put together this entrepreneur's legal resource. Can you tell me more about that? What is this?
Absolutely. We're very thrilled about this. We primarily represent small businesses throughout the western suburbs. As you can imagine, most business owners envision themselves as entrepreneurs. I believe they are. They're risk takers. As risk takers, they need good, competent legal counsel. We believe that there's a gap or a void out in the western suburbs for the smaller businesses to find experienced counsel like myself and Charles. And we really enjoy working locally with the smaller businesses and providing them what we believe is exceptional legal work.
So Charles, one of the very unique things about your business is that you offer the ELR Academy. Can you tell us about the ELR Academy?
Sure. So ELR is the acronym for Entrepreneur's Legal Resource. And so the Academy is a resource that we offer to not just our clients, but to anyone who's interested in learning about how to be a better business owner. It really has four components. The first one is new content that we post on our website. We try to put up a couple of posts every month that talk about changes in Illinois law, that talk about new cases that have come down or new statutes that have been passed. We often put up stories about our own clients and experiences that we've had with them and helping them get through difficult situations that they face as business owners. The second component is we will post different events that either we're holding or that are going on in the community. For example, if someone goes to the events page right now, they'll see different events that SCORE is putting on. They'll see business events that the Glen Ellyn Library is doing. And so we'll just post different things that entrepreneurs can go to participate in so they can learn how to be better business owners. We also have what we call the ELR Toolbox and the Trusted Advisors section of our website. And those are places where people can go to see, in the Toolbox, they can go to get links to other websites, whether that's through the College of DuPage or SCORE or the SBA, or even different government organizations that are set up to sponsor and to help business owners with their businesses. And the Trusted Advisors section is a webpage where we post the names of different individuals that we've worked with who provide services for entrepreneurs and small business owners so that they can go and find different kinds of resources. We have accountants there, we have IT people, other people that we've dealt with and that we've worked with ourselves that we think would be a resource for business owners in the community.
So I've had the opportunity to work with both of you through a lot of organizations in Glen Ellyn since I've been here, with the library and the chamber. Tell me a little bit about why you feel those organizations and being a part of the community is so important to your business.
Well, we represent small businesses, and the small businesses are the fabric of America. We've all heard that. It's equally applicable in Glen Ellyn. We believe as small business attorneys, it's part of our job to give to the small business community and assist them in growing and becoming better business owners. As evidence of that, Charles and I are very involved with the Chamber of Commerce. We're very involved with SCORE. Charles works with the Center of Entrepreneurship at the College of DuPage. We are frequent speakers at the library, both locally and outside of Glen Ellyn. We believe it's important as business leaders ourselves to give it forward to our small business owners, which means helping them learn about resources and helping them educate themselves on how to be more successful.
Now, some of the things that we've talked about just in passing whenever we have a chance to talk about businesses in our community, it's not just even the new businesses that are starting up, our entrepreneurs, but the businesses that have been in business a while that might not know things they should be planning for the future of their business. Is that something that you come across a lot?
Absolutely. We're fortunate. We love working with small businesses. I often call businesses, they have a life cycle just like a person. They start one day, they become toddlers, adolescents, and some days they retire. We're fortunate to help companies through their entire life cycles. And as they grow and mature and sometimes age in their business, there's a lot of new challenges that they face. So not only do they rely upon us to help them from for legal matters, but they rely on us to help them find resources that are non-legal, that are really needed for them to be successful in their businesses. So I feel we're very fortunate in having the opportunity to live the life of other business owners.
So Larry, you're the newest member to Lofgren and Wentworth. What do you bring to the table?
So for the past several years, I've been a solo attorney, and I've focused primarily in real estate law, mostly residential, a little bit of commercial, but all transactional work. I've known Rick and Charles for several years, and we think that combining real estate and business transactional work is a very good combination.
What made you decide to become a part of the business community in Glen Ellyn?
So there's a couple of reasons why I think coming on board is a great fit. First of all, Charles and Rick are fantastic attorneys. They're nice guys, but they're also very civically involved. I happen to be very civically involved locally as well. I'm a Glen Ellyn resident. I have a 4-minute walk to work now here above Starbucks. I'm a member of the Glen Ellyn Zoning Board, and also a member of the Main Street Organization of Realtors, which is the main organization and resource group for real estate agents in town. So,
so that's a great fit.
Yeah,
We're real happy to have you.
It's a great fit. I'm civically involved. They're civically involved, and it really made a lot of sense.
That's excellent. Well, we're happy to have you as part of the Glen Ellyn business community now, since you've definitely been a part of our community already.
As a resident, yeah.
That's excellent. Thank you for joining us. And when in the Chicagoland area, remember to stop by Glen Ellyn and experience all the places to shop, dine, work, and play. And we'll see you on the next edition of the Glen Ellyn Experience.